Many people are making money online just by reading emails. You too can make money by reading emails online. You can earn as much as $10 for one email, and if you read 10 emails, that is $100. 100 emails will be $1,000. Men, this is an exciting way to make money, and you should be using this method to make money for yourself today. Before I do anything, I will like to show you some examples of people earning from reading emails. Alright, these are examples and proofs of people earning money online just by reading emails. Many people are cashing out reading emails at $10 per mail, $3.50, $1, 75 cents, $11, $5.50, just for reading paid emails. Wow, I am excited now, are you? If you enjoy reading, then you have yourself a job that will pay you for what you like doing. Even if you don't like reading, you can just open the email and let it slide for a time, and boom, you are cashing in. Now, before I reveal this method of making money by reading email, I would like to welcome you to my channel, Make Money Online. This is a channel dedicated to finding and teaching different ways to earn legitimate income online from the comfort of your home. I would like you to like, comment to this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification. You will get to see all my videos, and you will be notified when a new video drops. That way you will not miss any money-making strategy from this channel. Now, let's get back to making money online through reading email. The way the system works is this. You will need to sign up in a website that I will soon reveal, and you will begin to receive different paid emails to open and read. These emails are ads, and as you read the emails, you get points, which will add up to money for you to cash out. It will only take you between 1 minute to 5 minutes reading one of such emails. The system may start your account with up to 50 cents for reading an email and grow your earnings per mail to $10. As you keep reading the emails and progressing in the system, you can grow your earnings and make more money from each of the 10 emails you get in a day. If you receive 10 emails, it will be 10 emails times $10, which is equals to $100. 40 emails per day will be 40 emails times $10, which is $400 per day, within weeks of using this platform. Now, if you make $400 per day reading emails, you can make $400 times 7, which is $2,800, every week reading emails. That is cool cash for reading emails. Alright, the website I would like to introduce to you is Vindale Research at Vindale.com. Vindale Research is a website where you can earn money online through participating in studies, earning reward codes through joining social communities. You can also earn through blogs challenge polls that will provide reward codes. In addition, you can earn money on this website through watching videos, short ads videos, and earn up to 5 cents per minute each, which adds up to 60 times 5 cents. That is $3 in a stretch. The rule is, the more you watch, the more you earn. Now, with all these ways to earn money through the Vindale Research website, the interesting way I want us to consider today is earning money through reading emails. Yes, reading emails to make money. Here, you earn rewards by opening and reading different paid emails. You can also earn extra with the referral program, making up to $5 referral bonus based on activities of your referred friends using your unique referral link. Now, without spending time talking too much, let's head to the Vindale website to see what the Vindale Research has to offer for us when we sign up. As you can see here, it says Vindale members have earned up to $8 million already. The interesting thing about the Vindale Research is that they pay in cash and not by coins, point systems, or gift cards. Now, before you think of signing up, I want you to first come to their homepage here and see the offers they have for you to earn money on their platform. As you can see from here, they have many ways for you to earn money online on their website. Just come here and click on Ways to Earn, and the page will open up for you. Here it says, as a Vindale member, you work only to get paid online by taking surveys. Let's see now how to earn money online using several Vindale's great services, here. These services include survey, referrals, reward mails, and videos. Vindale surveys. Get paid to answer online surveys. Get paid to take daily paid surveys online. Check our site in your inbox often for chances to make money. Referral program. Get $5 for every friend referred. The more, the merrier. For every friend you refer to Vindale, you get $5. Go ahead, share that link. Reward email. Earn cash for every email you open. Earn just for reading paid email. Opt into reward mail in your email preference to open and view paid promotional messages. Vindale videos. Watch videos and give feedback. It pays to press play. Enjoy video surveys for money. To see if you are eligible, look for videos. Now, let's go up to survey examples. Paid survey examples. Curious to know what kind of online paid surveys you will be taken once you become a Vindale member? Below, you'll find examples of actual surveys offered recently and what members earned through them. As you can see the earnings here, these examples are $10, $1, $3.50, $1.50, $14.50, $1, 75 cents, $11, and $5.50. Now, before you sign up, I want to tell you that Vindale Research is actually open to subscribers from USA, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia only. But you should not worry at all. Even if you are from Africa or India, or anywhere in the world, you can still sign up at Vindale Research website and make money. Today, I will be showing you a way around this obstacle in a minute. Make sure you continue watching this video to see how you can enjoy this online money opportunity in this website from anywhere in the world. Okay, let's begin the sign up process. First, I want you to come up here and click on sign up. A new page will open up for you to fill the sign up form. When you click on the sign up now, it will take you to this page. It says here, congratulations, you are one step closer to getting paid for your opinion. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. Scroll down a bit and you will find the sign up form. You have email address, first name, last name, street address, apt or suite, postal code, country and date of birth. Now, if you are from the US, Canada, UK, or Australia, you can go ahead and fill the form by filling in your details to join. However, if you are from other countries not mentioned here, then you will need to take some steps to be accepted in the website. Now, in order to sign up, you will need an address in the US, Canada, UK, or Australia, and one of the best place to go is usaddress.com. However, for the purpose of this video, I shall be using a Canadian address. Now, you can get address of any part of the world from Random List at randomlist.com. When you visit their website, you will be taken to their homepage like this. Come down to Edit Settings and select Canadian Addresses. After selecting and searching, you will be taken to this page with the following address. Here, there are 6 addresses here for you to select one. For this video, I will select this one here for illustration. Now go back to the Vindale Research website and fill in your details using this Canadian address. Now, that is not all. You will need to set the location of your computer or any other device that you are using to access their website to tally with your address. What you need is to install VPN on your system to help set up your location to the address you want to use on the website. In this case, it is Canada. If you do not have a VPN, you can get a free VPN online to use. However, you will need to be careful choosing the free VPN you want to use. Most of them are malicious. One of the best recommended VPN company that offers in free VPN services as one of their package is ProtonVPN. Visit their website at protonvpn.com to get a free package and set up on your system. You will then be able to set your location to your address anytime you are logging to Vindale website. Now after you registered and set up everything, it is time to make money. Log in to the website and click on the reward emails. Open and read the available email to make money. Take this bold step now. Before I go, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell if you've not done so already. Keep making money.